Are you someone who is looking for legitimate ways to make money online? In this episode, I am going to walk you through 10 powerful ways to make money online. By the way, this is the part 2 of the series. If you haven't watched part 1 of this series, in the description I have given a link, or somewhere above my head you can see a pop-up. I highly recommend you watch it without fail. Hi, I am Sunil Hegde. I'm a digital entrepreneur and founder of Dream Lifestyle Hub. Without further any delay, let's continue from where we left in part 1. 10 ways to get started and make money online. This is going to be very interesting section. Let's look at 10 different ways you can get started and make money online in order of my preference. So the first one is affiliate marketing. This is lowest hanging fruit and you can start making money much faster. What is affiliate marketing? This is nothing but you promote someone else's product and make commission when you make a sale. Yeah, if you want to know more about how to get started with affiliate marketing, somewhere above my head you can see a link. Go and check out those videos. Yeah, now let's check the second way, which is network marketing. So the reliable network marketing companies are 7K Metals, Amway, HubLab. There are some more. My hot favorite is 7K Metals. This is available only in limited countries. If you're eligible, the description I have given the link. You can go and check out more details. They literally sell the product which is gold and silver. Very lucrative and reliable. Go and check it out. And the third way is online courses. If you are an expert, if you are able to position yourself as an expert, people are ready to learn from you online. Maybe you can teach yoga, drawing, martial art, web designing, web development, so many different things. Yeah, so that is about online courses. Coach or consultant. If you are able to help someone, maybe group of people, step by step to achieve their goal, people are ready to pay any amount. Yeah, so you can become a coach. Also, you can become a consultant to a company, maybe a small scale business, and help them to achieve their goal. Yeah. And the fifth one is Amazon store. You open a store. You as a retailer or wholesaler, if you're an author, you can publish book and you can make money. Yeah. And the sixth one is freelancing. What is freelancing? As an independent, you take some project like graphic designing, web designing, different skill set, whatever you will be able to offer, even content writing. Yeah. Some of the websites are Upwork and Fiverr, very reliable, very famous. You can go and list your expertise and you will get the work from the brands, from the people, and you'll be able to earn money. Yeah. And the seventh one is agency. You open an agency, get some more people to work with you, and you provide services such as marketing services, advertisement services, graphic designing, web development, testing, so many different things you can sell as an agency. Yeah. And the eighth one is drop shipping. Drop shipping is nothing but you don't own any product. You get the order and pass on that order to the manufacturer, and manufacturer in turn will ship to the customer. Yeah, that is a drop shipping. And the ninth and the 10th, these are not actually related to business. However, if you already have an active cash flow, yeah, then you can diversify to crypto. I am a little bit skeptical, but still it is a little bit trending and you don't want to miss the bus. Small portion you can invest in crypto. Yeah. And the 10th one is stock market. Yeah. Again, small portion of your cash flow you can invest in stock market. So these are the 10 different ways you can get started and start making money online. For each and every step, I am not going into the details, but I'll make a separate videos for each and every ways. And in the description, I am going to provide it. Yeah. Now let's move on to the ultimate formula for your success. Yeah. So the ultimate formula for your success is register for the masterclass. We host successful entrepreneurs on various topics such as how you can create a reliable affiliate marketing business, super profitable online business, how you can make money through YouTube, how you can build your beautiful funnels, websites, hub, and various other topics. These are absolutely free masterclasses, most of them. Register for one of those live sessions and make most out of it. Here you learn top 10 ways to make money online. How about continue your learning and go deep into some of these aspects? For that, click or tap on the playlist appearing on your screen. All right. If you got value out of this episode, hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.